So we're lambing for roughly 6 weeks. We've got 1,300 sheep on the farm, so it keeps us busy, so it's all hands on.
Got a little charm on it. Moon and stars charm.
Gosh.
And do you want to see inside?
It's beautiful, yes.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Oh, there's everybody. There's the family.
Chloe and Duncan are friends.
And then who's there?
Me and Duncan, you and Daddy.
Should we pop it all together?
Maybe that.
Yeah. Oopsie daisy. There we go, and then it's a lovely length actually, isn't it? I love hearts, I've always loved hearts, but I really like the way how it opened up and it was like a shamrock, like a 4-leaf clover when you see all your photos. So I chose the one of Erin with Jock because she loves Jock, her dog, and it was just a really nice sort of photo of them both. The one of my son Duncan is on holiday this year and it's just a really nice photo of him, and a lovely photo of Florrie ice skating. That's her favourite sort of hobby, so it was a really nice happy picture. And then I think, as Duncan and I don't get many photos together because we're always taking photos of kids, so it was nice to find a photo of the two of us.